How to transfer project in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open CapCut and at the top right, you'll find settings. Click on settings. After you've clicked on settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on save to and beside that you'll find folder. Click on it and select the folder where you want your CapCut to be saved and click on select. Then you can also simply click on download to and then click on the folder. Select the folder where you want your saved video. Click on select folder at the bottom. Then click on save at the bottom. After you've saved, if you want to export any project, click on it. Click on export at the top right. And then in here, beside export to, you'll find folders. Click on it. In here, select the folder where you want to export and select folder. After you've done that, click on export at the bottom. And then at bottom, you'll find open folder. Click on it. It will lead you to this page. Right click on the folder and then click on copy. After you have copied the folder at your display, paste it. Paste it wherever you want. And then right click on it and then click on send to and compressed. If you compress it, it will be easier to send it. If you have sent video like this, right click and then click on extract files. After you've extracted files, you can drag it to CapCut and it will directly open it to CapCut and you will be able to edit the video. And this is how to transfer project in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.